Just in time to get the tail end of that. It's at a 29 series bus getting towed away. Just missed it. That's actually twice in the last few nights that I've caught in a bus getting towed from Guy. I saw one the other night. Anyway, good way to start a video, as right now it is Tuesday, December 12th, 2017. It's 11:24 p.m. almost, and we're here in the corner of de Maisonneuve and Guy Street. And you can see a lot of action still going on as this snowstorm continues. A little bit less intense to precipitation, but nonetheless it's there. I'm just gonna clean my lens, hang on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, sometimes what happens, you know, when I have the phone in my pocket, I guess residue and grease and whatnot, or just plain, you know, pocket residue builds up on the lens and kind of messes up the lighting a bit, causes streaks. Nothing a piece of Kleenex can't solve. As we walk westward on de Maisonneuve, there's a blue fire hydrant indicating it's for the metro or bus system. As I said, snow continuing to fall here, and I'm gonna wrap up filming in a moment here for the night. And of course, next snowstorm, whenever it will be, yours truly will bring you all the sights and sounds, and hopefully I'll get some snow removal action in the coming days to share with my viewers. But if I can't, for whatever reason, I know there's plenty of other YouTubers out there that like to film that kind of thing, so I'm sure you'll find something out there. That's the beautiful thing about YouTube. There's so many different channels with similar content, and you know, other channels with different content. There's always something on YouTube. That's what I love about my channel. I like to keep it diverse and, you know, do my best to bring you a variety of videos and themes. Actually, construction going on here as well. Maybe we'll get a response from the fire hall up ahead. And you can see how high these snowbanks are. Yep. And I know one of my viewers requested I film an alleyway in this area, and I just want to let you know I'm going to be getting to that within the next couple of days. So just as a side note, any requests that my viewers have for certain things to film or certain places in the city to film, just leave a comment on my channel, on my videos, anywhere you want me to film, and I'll most likely be able to fulfill your request. This is an old building here, by the way, old style building. There's the 165 coming from Côte-des-Neiges, just arriving. Yeah, so now that the snow's starting to taper off, the next step's going to be the snow removal operation, as I mentioned. And that should, I think they said 36 hours, so maybe 2 or 3 days it should be all cleared away. And when I say all cleared, I mean the streets and whatnot. Of course, those of you that like, you know, just general snow covering around, like in the parks and whatnot, fear not, as I said earlier, this is looking to be a white Christmas indeed. I'm going to wrap it up here with this bus going by. And that will be it for today, folks. So have a very good night, good day wherever you are, and see y'all soon.